Welcome to your go-to guide for preparing for a Java developer interview. Today, we'll walk you through some common questions and share tips to help you shine. Let's dive right in with our first question about collaboration, a key skill for any developer. Can you share an experience where you had to team up with other developers to tackle a complex problem? What role did you play, and how did the team come out on top? This question helps interviewers understand your teamwork and leadership skills, which are crucial for a successful development team. Here are some tips to guide your response. Start by explaining the problem clearly. Describe your specific contributions and role. Highlight how the team collaborated effectively. Conclude with the outcome and lessons learned. Mention any tools or technologies you used. Here's how you might frame your answer.
In my last project, we encountered a performance issue with a Java application. I organized a team meeting to discuss the bottlenecks, proposed using Visual VM for profiling, and implemented the profiling code. Sharing the results with my team, we collectively optimized database queries and improved performance by 40%.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Java developer. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Can you describe a challenging Java project you've worked on and how you overcame the difficulties you faced? This question aims to assess your problem-solving abilities and how you handle technical challenges in projects. Here's how you can structure your response. Choose a project with clear challenges. Discuss the technical and managerial challenges you encountered. Explain the steps you took to resolve each challenge. Mention any technologies or methodologies you applied. Wrap up with the positive outcomes and what you learned. Let's look at a sample answer.
In a previous role, I worked on a Java e-commerce platform where we faced a major challenge with integrating a real-time inventory system. I evaluated various APIs, chose the best fit, and managed the integration through agile sprints. This effort led to a 30% drop in inventory discrepancies and boosted user satisfaction.
Have you ever had a disagreement with a team member over a Java feature implementation? How did you resolve the issue? This question helps interviewers evaluate your conflict resolution skills and collaborative approach. Consider these points when crafting your response. Clearly describe the disagreement. Explain your communication style during the conflict. Focus on collaboration and finding common ground. Share how you reached a resolution. Highlight any positive outcomes from the experience. Here's a way to articulate your experience.
In a past project, I disagreed with a colleague about using Stream API versus traditional loops. I initiated a discussion where we exchanged arguments, then prototyped both methods. Performance metrics favored Stream API, so we adopted that solution together.
Imagine your application starts running slowly and you suspect a memory leak in your Java code. How would you diagnose and fix it? This question evaluates your debugging skills and ability to address performance issues effectively. Here's a step-by-step approach you can follow. Utilize profiling tools like Visual VM to monitor memory usage. Identify objects not being garbage collected and check their reference chains. Examine heap dumps with tools like Eclipse Mat to find memory leaks. Review your code for common leak patterns. Test with various workloads to replicate the issue. Here's an example of how to respond.
I would start by using Visual VM to monitor memory usage and identify problematic objects. Next, I'd analyze a heap dump with Eclipse Mat to pinpoint memory leaks and review the code for persistent objects that should be collected.
When asked to implement a new feature in a Java application under tight deadlines, how do you prioritize tasks while ensuring quality? This question explores your ability to manage time and maintain quality under pressure. Consider these strategies to answer effectively. Break down the feature into smaller tasks. Identify and focus on critical paths first. Use automated testing to ensure quality. Maintain regular communication with your team. Review and refine your code before deployment. Here's how you might tackle this question.
First, I would divide the feature into smaller, manageable tasks, prioritizing those essential for functionality. I'd use automated tests to maintain quality and keep the team updated for feedback and necessary adjustments.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step-by-step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free, just grab it below.